Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a boat pose. There's a few different ways that we can do this, but no matter what variation we choose, we're going to be seated on our hips. We're not leaning back onto our back. We're balancing on our hips. We can, easiest variation would be to begin with feet on the ground, holding behind our knees, just letting our upper bodies kind of lean back. This is going to get our abs to fire like crazy. We also want to make sure that no matter what, we're keeping our chest upright. We're not sinking down into our lower back. We're staying nice and engaged. This is going to work the lower back as well as the abdominals. From here, we would bring our feet up in the air. You're going to start feeling a lot of hip flexor. We can take our hands off to the sides, or we could extend our legs and kind of lean back just a little bit more, but again, staying on the hips, keeping the chest upright the entire time. So if you want more really great core exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at Kyra Williams.